Hey everyone! Today, we're talking about one of the most important choices for any driver, your auto insurance policy. With so many options out there, finding the right policy can feel overwhelming. But don't worry, I've got 3 essential tips to help you make an informed decision that protects you and your vehicle. First up, make sure you understand your coverage limits. Each state has a minimum required coverage, but these minimums often fall short if you're in a serious accident. For instance, the average cost of a new car is around $48,000, and a used car is about $25,000. If your coverage doesn't match those numbers, you could be left with a big bill in the event of an accident. So, when you're looking at policies, don't just go for the minimum. Aim for a policy that reflects the true cost of replacing your vehicle. Tip number 2, choose an agent you can trust. In the unfortunate event of an accident, the last thing you want to worry about is tracking down your agent or not knowing what to do next. A reliable agent will be there to guide you through each step, helping you file claims and get the assistance you need. Look for an agent who's responsive and experienced. It makes a huge difference when you're dealing with a stressful situation. Finally, let's talk about value. You've probably heard Warren Buffett's famous quote, "Price is what you pay, value is what you get." And this couldn't be more true with insurance. Sometimes, paying a little extra can give you peace of mind, knowing that your insurance provider will come through when you need it most. The best policies give you the right coverage, great customer service, and reliability, so the value you get far outweighs the cost. Alright, let's recap. When searching for an auto insurance policy, remember to understand your coverage limits, find a trustworthy agent, and prioritize value over price. Keeping these tips in mind will help you find a policy that really protects you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on protecting yourself on the road.